These days, cognition is on the brain. Yeah, pun completely intended. It certainly seems the buzz is everywhere I go. Just recently, I was out with a mix of new and old friends, and someone asked, "What do you do for a living?" Well, after the usual what and huh jokes, interesting, the next question was, "Hey, what's all this about hearing loss and cognitive decline?" If it's happening to me, I'm sure it's happening to you. Hearing loss and cognitive health are grabbing the attention from global health organizations, researchers, and yes, even the general public. So are you ready? The results of 2 landmark studies, Achieve and Enhance, were published this year, and they had several key findings that could shape the path towards understanding the connection between device use and treating the whole person. The summary of both results pointed to some very interesting findings. I have a suspicion that professionally, we kind of already intrinsically knew the first important finding, but now we can confidently speak to the evidence that hearing intervention can reduce cognitive change over time. Next, and equally important, there was a high adherence to and satisfaction with hearing intervention. Sonova technology was utilized in both studies, as well as audiological best practices. And finally, there were positive effects of hearing aid use on self-perceived communication impairment, loneliness, and social network size. This confirms that hearing well allows people to maintain and build new social connections, because it really is about communication and not just about sound. As we see more and more attention around untreated hearing loss and comorbidities, for the first time in decades, we're starting to see the wait time to get hearing aids actually decrease. People are acting on their hearing loss sooner and not wanting to wait as long to seek treatment. According to recent market track data, the time between self-awareness of hearing loss and purchasing a hearing aid has decreased from 6 years to 4 years. As further research confirming the link between hearing aid intervention and cognition emerges, that wait time could decrease even more. Since hearing aid adoption and satisfaction rates are increasing and time to purchase is decreasing, we're seeing that our efforts over the years on public awareness, stigma reduction, and even technological developments are having a profound impact on the industry. Coupled with the groundbreaking and confirmational research of Achieve and Enhance, there's a new and fresh opportunity to push the envelope and inform the public in a way that meets people where they are. Today's hearing care consumer is much more agile and interested in new ways to purchase and use technology, and barriers to care are continuing to dissolve. The focus on greater health as a stronger sense of well-being allows us to expand our conversations beyond, "Can you hear this or that?" into a narrative far more focused on greater cognitive well-being. The research does suggest the old adage of "an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure." In the same way we approach hearing conservation and through our refined rehabilitative counseling skills, in clinical practice, we have a unique opportunity to make sure patients know that hearing better can help you think better. So you may be wondering, how can you leverage these opportunities in your practice? Well, we may just be able to help there. The Enhancing Cognitive Health and Hearing Optimization, or ECHO, program is here to equip you with resources to better integrate the topic of cognitive health into discussions with your patients. The program includes research findings on the relations between hearing loss and cognition, expert guidance on how to promote cognitive health in audiological care, and evidence-based explanations on the role of cognition in audiological clinical counseling. We have a social responsibility to ensure our communications around this topic have scientific integrity. So regardless of whether your patients are looking to protect what they already have, or you're looking to engage with your community in a new or different way, Phonak has solutions available for you. Our goal is to increase awareness and usage of cognitive health and hearing among audiological peers, medical networks, and the wider community. We are intent on going beyond just hearing aids, as this is part of our mission for better cognitive health. For more information, I invite you to visit the website below or contact your Phonak representative to learn more about ECHO.